how you can create a BeReal account. Now, before we start, make sure that you install BeReal, and for that, just go to your app store and search for BeReal. And after you search for it, just install it right here. And this is the app we are talking about. Now, just open it up after you've downloaded it. And the first things first, just type in your phone number. Now, after you've just typed in your phone number, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number, and after that, just copy it and paste it on the verification site. And after you do that, this page will pop up, and you will need to type in your first name. After you do that, just set your date of birth, and yeah, let's do that right here. And after you do that, create a username, and yeah, tap on continue. And right here, you can schedule it and just allow its notification. And yeah, with that, you've created your account successfully. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you create a BeReal account, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.